Hi, I'm Graymalkin. Call me Mal. I'm really excited to audition for Explosion Buff. I'm called the Master of Arcane Obfuscation, but I have no idea what that means. I think it has to do with a lot of nonsense words. So, for my audition, I'm gonna do my favorite bunch of nonsense words. The Jabberwocky by Lewis Carroll. 'Twas brillig, and the slithy toads did gear and gimble in the wabe. Oh, mimsy were the borogoves, and the mummy rats outgrabe. Beware the Jabberwock, my son, the jaws that bite, the claws that catch. Beware the jub-jub bird, and shun the frumious bandersnatch. He took his vorpal sword in hand. Long time the manxome foe he sought. So rested by the tum-tum tree, and stood a while in thought. And as in uffish thought he stood, the Jabberwock, with eyes of flame, came whiffling through the togy wood, and burbled as it came. 1, 2, 1, 2, and through, the vorpal blade went snicker-snack. He left it dead, and took its head, and went galumphing back. And hast thou slain the Jabberwock? Come to my arms, my beamish boy. O frabjous day, callooh, calais, he chortled in his joy. 'Twas brillig, and the slithy toads did gear and gimble in the wabe. All mimsy were the borogoves, and the mummy rats outgrabe. A few days ago, Alan posted a Facebook update that said,
Yeah, I bought a puppet.
There were several comments in response, and I wanted to answer those comments. 1, Eli says, big deal. Lobbyists do this every day. That's true, Eli, but those puppets don't have yellow fur. They just pass laws and stuff. Next, Ben says, you are one of us now. One of what?